The most important thing when choosing a real estate professional is to find someone you can trust. I have a history of success and integrity in real estate that you can depend on, and I look forward to working with you in the near future. This is a perfect home for you and your family. It features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and screened lanai. Completely re-plumbed in 2015, new roof installed in 2014, complete electrical update in 2019, 2 new toilets installed in 2020, new water heater in 2020, laminate floors and all gutters done in 2019. Freshly painted inside in 2021. The electrical box was replaced along with the air conditioner in 2009. Other items include a very private backyard, and easy access to shopping, restaurants, and the interstate. Do not miss out on this cute home just waiting for its new owners. It has a single-car garage with a newer door and a new garage door opener being installed this week. It has